In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move the header menu to the right in your Shopify store, a quick and simple way to customize your store's appearance. To begin, open your Shopify admin and navigate to My Store on the home page. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Online Store option on the left-hand sidebar and give that a click. This will bring you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your store's online presence, including the themes. It's important to know your way around this section as you'll find many customization opportunities here. Next, look for the theme you've currently got in use. You should see a small button that consists of 3 dots, usually located next to the Customize button. Click on those dots to reveal more options, among which you'll find Edit Code. This is where we can dive into the specifics of your store's CSS and make the changes we need. Now that you're in the code editor, you can see a search bar or a list of files on the left. What you're going to do next is type base in the search bar. This will help you find base CSS, which is the file you need to adjust to change your menu's alignment. Click on base.css to open it. Once you have the base.css file open, scroll down through the code until you reach an empty line. If you've made changes to your CSS before, this spot might not be at the very bottom, so just look for a clear space where you can insert new code without interfering with what's already there. Now, in a different tab on your browser, head over to the website Pastebin using the URL provided, pastebin.com/u9ahmvh. This page contains the CSS code you'll need. Select and copy the entirety of this code. It's designed to ensure your header menu aligns perfectly to the right side of the screen. Go back to your Shopify code editor tab and at that empty line in your base.css file, paste the code you just copied. Once you've done that, make sure everything looks correct and neat. After making these amendments, save your work by clicking the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. When your changes are successfully saved, you're safe to exit the code editor by clicking on Exit, which should take you back to the main theme customization page. To witness the fruits of your labor, click on View Your Store. This will open your store's homepage where you can immediately see that your header menu is now positioned to the right side of the page. And there you have it, a more polished look for your Shopify store, achieved in just a few straightforward steps. Make sure to revisit these steps if you need further tweaks, and feel free to experiment with other CSS changes to make your store truly unique.